My name is Haydar Majeed. I'm a dedicated scholar practitioner with a deep passion for cybersecurity and technology. The cybersecurity landscape is rapidly evolving with the increasing threats of cyber attacks. Every year we have technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, data science. This has led to significant demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals. There's plenty of domains within cyber. Even if you already know cyber stuff, you won't know all of them. You could be working for healthcare, finance. Cyber is very crucial position within all of these fields. Some of the characteristics that we see in people who end up pursuing a cybersecurity engineering degree or cybersecurity in general, really, number one is curiosity, someone who's curious about things. Also being analytical too. And really, if you love puzzles as well, this is also a great field for you. Most importantly is breaking things and also being able to make things, right? That's very important in our field. It is very common for people to change their careers really and move into cyber. One of the recent wave of change really we've seen a lot is software developers. These are also a great future engineers because now they already have technical background and now they're changing into a more security focused role. Even if you don't have a technical background like a computer science, cybersecurity undergrad, we have numerous students that come from finance, marketing, and end up actually getting into our cyber program and graduating and mastering these skills. So we have built our program in such a way to be gradual. So we have foundation classes, and then we have core classes, and we have a capstone. So really, this program will prepare you to walk through and learn all the skills you need and master these skills by the time you're done. In terms of career opportunities, really a graduate could expect to pursue cybersecurity engineer, analyst, manager to leadership positions. You're not only a technical person that actually focuses on the cybersecurity hands-on, but you also have the opportunity to get promoted and go up the ladder. The expectations are you join as an analyst, you can promote it to an engineer, or you can join as a junior engineer, get promoted to mid-level and senior. And from there, obviously, you're only going up. After graduating, I saw the benefits and I really got promoted to cybersecurity manager and chief security officer. Employers do notice that, the commitment they're making to advance their degree. These are the characteristics I look at as chief security officers in my own position. I networked with just about every single person in my class. I networked with my professors. I exchanged emails, and the benefits I even found after graduating, being able to connect to the community. I have connections, and I'm lucky enough to still be in contact with about 8 or 9 people from the program. We reach out to industry, whether they provide certifications, internship, research opportunities. Even I personally assist students all the time with mock interviews to even job search to resume edits. All of our professors are actually practitioners in their field. There's really great opportunities that come for being in the right position, in the right degree, learning the right skills. What caused me to think about cybersecurity is the demand for learning new skills. So there's 8 domains within the cyber field, right? So people could really been doing networking. They want to focus more on engineering or system design and architecture and so on. So these are the disciplines in the field that we actually teach in our cyber program. So we actually make it very practical. At the same time, we don't really dismiss research. We also focus on research because that's important. We do leverage new tools and technologies. What you're learning during your program is relevant to what you're going to do when you graduate. A good program will offer also emphasis on certifications. We actually do offer certifications you'll be able to get with your master's degree as you master really important topics like cryptography, system design, system networking, system engineering, and so on. This is a career that I'm in, field that I love, field always changing, and field that really makes me happy because I'm learning new things every day. You are encouraged to research, compare programs. I definitely recommend starting with the enrollment advisor. In our case, for the USD Masters of Cybersecurity Engineering, we do have great enrollment advisors that actually they're trained to walk you through, to explain to you everything. And after that, you have access to me as the academic director, anyone in the program. We have our emails on the website. You can reach out and ask more questions. This is a big commitment, and we understand. I can tell you who's someone who's gone through the program and now graduated, got a job. The investment you're gonna make, physically, mentally, is definitely worth it.